Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 801-51904. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing I recommend you guys doing is clicking on the Xbox logo on your controller. From here you're going to scroll all the way down to Profile and System, and you're going to click on Sign Out. So you're basically just going to sign out of your account and you're going to sign back in. And yeah, once you do that, you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is heading over to Settings. From Settings, going down to Account, and then from Accounts, go to Remove Accounts. You're basically going to remove your account and then add it back in, similar to step 1. But once you do that, you can also check to see if that fixes the issue. The third method you guys can try doing is heading over to General, heading over to Network Settings, and then from Network Settings, you're going to go down to Advanced Settings. From here, you're basically going to choose the primary and secondary DNS options, and you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8, and then you're going to change the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now, once you go ahead and do that, you should be all set. I recommend restarting your Wi-Fi router as well, for that can help as well. And if you don't know how to do that, all you have to do is simply just unplug all the wires out of your router and then replug them. And once you do that, I highly do recommend either restarting your console or just turning it off. You can do that by going again to Profile and System, going to Power, and then turn off console or restart console. It's up to you. You can do either or. But anyways, yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.